This is why the person you are seeing stopped chasing you after a while and what you can do to make them chase you again. Imagine that you have a gift and there are two people you can give it to. The first person is not expecting the gift. For them, the gift is a surprise and they will appreciate it. While the second person thinks that you're supposed to give them a gift and will probably take it for granted. Who would you rather give it to? This is exactly what happens at the beginning and in the later stages of any relationship. At first, you don't expect the other person to give you anything. They're a stranger that came into your life and everything they give you is a gift. The fact that they text you in the morning, the fact that they take you on a date and so on. While later on, all these things become expectations, they become chores, and the other person doesn't want to do them anymore. The first thing that I want you to understand very well is that no one owes you shit. Not even your own parents owe you anything after a certain age. No one was born to make you happy. That is your own task. No one was born to meet your needs. That is your responsibility. Anything your partner gives you is literally a gift. Don't take it for granted.